Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be taking these 3 shadow boxes I found at the Dollar Tree. They come in different sizes and I got those, and we are going to turn these into beach houses. So let's get started. Let me show you what I got for this as well, for these 3 beach houses. I went to Micheals and I picked up stickers. I just want to show you the stickers that I found. You can use any stickers you want. These were just beach themed. I love the little sandcastle, the ball, the shells. Just so many possibilities. I also found this one. I love the bicycle and the surfboards. So I'll be using those stickers as well. Also, I found the fencing that you find in the those little fairy garden homes. Those are found in Hobby Lobby has them. Also, I've got for the background paper. I'm going to be using these different shapes, textures, from scrapbook paper. Also, this is grass cloth sample that I got online for a project. And I'm going to be using the rest of that, just mixing and matching. I thought it just looked really cute, and it keeps with that tropical vibe. For the paint, we're going to be using this apple barrel. I picked it from Walmart in Key West. It's a bluish green, very fun color. Also Waverly chalk paint in plaster. And for the fence, I'm going to use the Waverly wax paint in antique. So let's get started. All right. First, I'm going to whitewash the wood. I used a little more water to paint than I should have, and I thought, well, we'll see what happens. I thought I'd just paint it and then wipe it, but it ended up being too thin, and in the end, I thickened it up with more paint and just went all the way around the sides. You don't have to be too neat, clearly. I was not being very neat, but it was a fun project. It kind of gave it that whitewashed feel to the wood. And then I did the centerpiece in the Key West blue. Just kind of washed it. And there you go. Let those pieces dry. And you've got the painted pieces. All right, next I traced the house on the scrapbook paper of my choice. Traced around it. Then I had to go in and measure the thickness of the wood on the side. So you want to take a measurement and measure right there at that thickness, which was about 1/2 centimeter. Then I went in with my ruler and measured in 1/2 centimeter on all sides. And then connected those lines. All right, and cut out the inner line, and you'll have a nice fitting piece. Then I used the glue, just regular old Elmer's glue, to glue down the backgrounds of each of your houses. That's what you just need to do. If you want to change it out next year, you can just pop that right out. Here we go with the Waverly wax on the fencing. All right, got the embellishments, the stickers, everything the way I wanted them. I was playing around, and I don't know if you can see that I kind of put shells in the bottom there. So last thing I want to do is put this little paper clip in here, so you can make this into a cute little picture frame for your favorite summer pictures. Everything And ta-da, here is the final project. I hope you make this. Comment below on any other ideas you have for these houses. And I thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more upcoming projects that I have for you. Bye-bye.